Welcome back. You're watching Headlines Today. Supreme Court was to hear the plea on the issue of appointment of Lt.Gen. Dalbir Singh Suhag. The latest that we are breaking on that, the Supreme Court has refused to stay centre's decision to appoint Lt.Gen. Dalbir Singh Suhag as the next army chief. The hearing will, however, continue. My colleague Jaskirat Singh Bawa is breaking this news on Headlines Today. I'd like to cut across to him at this point of time. Jaskirat, can you get us the latest?
The petition is different. The petition is on.
Jaskirat, can you get us up to speed with the breaking news?
Well, absolutely. Now, this is a case that was filed by General Ravi Dastane, Lieutenant General Ravi Dastane in December of last year, where he is challenging the appointment process by which he was superseded. In return, as a part of that petition in July, during the vacations, he had also filed an application seeking a stay on General Suhag's appointment as the army chief. Now, today, the Supreme Court has refused to indulge itself in that particular aspect of the case. There is no immediate relief to the petitioner, General Dastane, as far as that is concerned. General Dastane has said that the entire promotion and the appointment process was, in fact, skewed in such a way that preferences were given to people who, in any case, were decided that they would succeed as the army chief eventually. Now the Supreme Court is saying that they will not be getting into that. There's no immediate relief to, as far as the Supreme Court is concerned, there's no block as far as General Suhag taking over as the army chief is concerned, which is going to happen on the 1st of August.
So, Jaskirat, considering that Lt.Gen. Suhag is going to take over on the 1st of August, now will that go without a hitch?
Well, as far as the courts are concerned, it doesn't seem likely that there will be any hitch as far as the Supreme Court is concerned. At the end of this month, General Ravi Dastane will in fact be retiring as per his age and his rank right now. Now, since no decision has been taken on his petition, the petitioner feels and his lawyer feels that in fact the petition will become infractuous if the court refuses to take it up for further hearing before the date of retirement, which is at the end of this month. Now, it remains to be seen whether or not that petition, original petition, which challenged the appointment process, where General Dastane was overlooked, will be taken up or not. However, as far as General Suhag's appointment as the next army chief is concerned, it is highly unlikely. And in fact, you could say in as many words that from the Supreme Court side, there will be no block as far as the next army chief designate taking over is concerned. So by the 1st of August, General Suhag will be taking over as the army chief without any hitch.
All right. Appreciate you joining us. Jaskirat Singh getting us the very latest. The General Suhag will be the next army chief taking over on the 1st of August.